Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all your Toyota Tundra news and information. We got a great install today, ladies and gentlemen. I partnered up again with Real Truck to show you their new Bakflip MX4 tonneau cover for the Toyota Tundra. This one is called the EZ-Lift. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install it. I'm going to show you what it's all about. The Bakflip MX4 is one of the most popular tonneau covers on the market, and it has been for years. And Real Truck continues to update it and improve it. So while I open this box and get it ready to be installed on this truck, which is a very quick install, very simple procedure, one person can do it, as you will see, check out some of the details of this new MX4 from Real Truck. And here are some details on the Real Truck Bakflip MX4 EZ-Lift hard folding tonneau cover. When I put in the information for my truck, which is a 2026 Toyota Tundra with a 5.5-foot bed, the price comes out to be $1,349.99 on the Real Truck website. And here are some highlights about this new EZ-Lift tonneau cover. 3 times easier to lift. EZ-Lift does more of the heavy lifting for you with a lightweight feel. Fold it up with one hand using 1/3 the effort. Just 10.5 pounds versus nearly 30 pounds for heavier covers. Effortless one-handed access. The extra large paddle handle is easy to find, grab, and operate with one hand. EZ-Lift automatically unlatches as you lift. No extra step required. The most secure MX4 ever. Upgraded security, fewer steps. A first-of-its-kind paddle handle creates a tighter latch, while the patented auto latch system locks the moment it closes. And self-unlatching middle panels eliminate manual cable pulls. Sealed edge to edge to keep weather out. Advanced seals and precision fit clamps create a tight edge to edge barrier to block out the elements and keep your cargo dry. Built stronger, built better, built to last. Premium grade, multi-layer aluminum construction over a high density core delivers a stronger, more durable surface that's tested for years of reliable performance. Don't settle for single layer construction that bends under pressure. Full bed access with no compromise. Simply fold to the cab, secure, and safely drive with the cover fully open. No removal needed for large cargo. Plus the industry's only hard fold that doesn't block your third brake light. America's best-selling truck bed cover, now with EZ-Lift for one-handed, 1/3 the effort operation. EZ-Lift system reduces lift force to just 10.5 pounds versus nearly 30 pounds for heavier covers. Extra large paddle handle, auto unlatches as you lift, no extra step required. Patented auto latch system locks the moment the cover closes. Self-unlatching middle panels eliminate manual cable pulls. First of its kind paddle handle creates a tighter latch for enhanced security. Premium grade multi-layer aluminum construction over a high density core. Advanced edge to edge seals and precision fit clamps block weather and keep cargo dry. Folds to the cab for full bed access, no removal needed for large cargo. Industry's only hard fold cover that doesn't block the third brake light. 400 pounds weight capacity, evenly distributed. Textured matte black finish across all surfaces. Assembled in the USA. Bolt-on installation, no drilling required, installs in 30 minutes or less. 5-year warranty supported by dedicated product experts and a customer service team based in the USA. Okay, here are some of the things that come in the box. Over there we have the actual bed cover that we're not going to need just yet. We have the 2 rails that are going to go up against the deck rail system. And then we have some of our equipment we will need. We have the bulkhead seal. We have some of the connectors to go into the deck rail system to install these rails. We have some of the cab protectors that go onto the tonneau cover, so when you fold it all the way up, it doesn't hurt the back window there. It's a pretty simple install here. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/2-inch socket. That's pretty much it for this. Should be cut and dry just like the other MX4s that I put in, so let's get to it. Okay, step 1, we wiped this area down. Got all the debris off that may have been there, and then we put the foam protector down. I had to cut the edges of the foam a little bit on each side to make sure it fit properly. The foam was a little bit long, so no big deal. Step 2 is pretty simple. We're going to take both of these pieces of foam This one here, we're going to shove up under here to make a good seal. You want to put the sticky side toward the cab of the truck. So you want to go up and over so it sticks up in here like this. And then there's this D-shaped one that we're going to go in here and we're going to attach like that. Once we lift this piece up, we'll go right in, and the sticky side will be up here like this. We're also going to remove these as well, and that's kind of a future step for when we actually put the rails on, but we're going to do it now just for ease of access to put these on. Okay, we have the driver's side rail here, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this drain hose to the front of it. And then if you see up in the front of the bed of my 26 TRD Pro, there's that small hole right there, and that is the drain hole we're going to aim for. Now I actually use a LazFit bed mat in here, so I'm going to see if I could get the hose behind the bed mat when I put it back in, or if not, I'm going to cut a little hole in the bed mat. Our next step is going to be with the deck rail system. I slid the little end cap off here, and we have 3 per side of these that go into the deck rail system. You slide them in place, and that is what the rails are going to connect to. So again, it's 3 per side, so we're going to put those in, and then we're going to set the driver side rail system for the new MX4. Now this is how the connectors come inside the box. Being we have the deck rail system, we're only going to need the front of each of them, okay? And we also have a smaller screw to use as well versus the ones that come if you don't have a deck rail system. But new generation Toyota Tundras, most of them come with deck rail systems, so it'll just be the front part we're going to be using. And of course, there are instructions through all of this to let you know if you have a deck rail system, do it this way, and if you don't have a deck rail system, it shows you the way as well. So the clamps I was just talking about actually snap right into the bottom of the rail. You can clip them in, and then you could slide them along to exactly where you have your mounts in the deck rail system there. Driver's side rail is now in. They are finger tight right now because I'm going to do the passenger side first to make sure everything lines up before I tighten everything down. But pretty simple, you just got to make sure that the rail is pushed all the way forward and down onto the bed. So that is what the driver's side will look like. Now I will repeat all the steps that I just showed you for the passenger side, and then we will lay the cover on to make sure the alignment is correct, and we will tighten everything down. Rails are in, they are tightened down, both sides. We got the drain hoses in on the end where the 2 holes are at the base of the bed there. We are now on to the actual cover. We're going to install some clips. You will see that they have taped up the holes to protect it during shipping on both ends of the front of the cover. If we open it up, more tape protecting it. You could just pull these away, and you will see the holes that you're going to be working with on each side. And now we will install the fastener. Next thing we're going to do is install these fasteners for when you want to close the cover. So all you got to do is make sure that when you put it into the pre-drilled holes like this, you make sure it's facing the proper direction, okay? And then what you're going to do, it comes with an adhesive on the bottom. We're going to peel this off, stick this down into the pre-drilled holes, and then there are screws that come up through the bottom, and we're going to attach it that way. Okay, so we are on the bottom of the tonneau cover near the front of the cab. We're going to put in some retainer clamps here. And all you have to do, you'll see there's 3 tracks. The outermost tracks, you're going to loosen these up so you can actually slide this into the tracks here, the upper area. And then they slide in like that. And just loosely tighten it for now. And we will deal with this when we get it onto the truck, because this is going to connect to the rail system. Once you get the cover lined up, if you remember these brackets we put in before we put the cover on, just slide them over to the rail system that was included with the Bakflip MX4 tonneau, tighten it down, and you're all set. And one more thing you want to do before you call this a completed install. Real Truck added these in the box. These are little bumpers with adhesive on the back that you can connect to the top of the tonneau cover where it makes contact with the truck, so you don't have any damage on the cab of the truck. So we're going to line it up here and we're going to install them. So the only area that we would make contact is right on the outside. So I'm going to put it here. Let me just make sure. Yep, perfect. Now with the cover against the back window, let's see if we still have use of the camera up on the third brake light. Let's put it into drive and go to bed cam. So it blocks a little of it. You can see the end of the tailgate there, but still blocks the camera quite a bit. So to engage the spring system on this Bakflip MX4 EZ-Lift, there's a little pin that's in here. You pull it out and that engages the spring system. It's easy to lift, just like the name, and easy to put back down. Simple. Come over here, we're going to open it, and this is the beauty part of this cover. This part right here. When you pull this down and you lift, you can now do it with one hand. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the install of the Bakflip MX4 EZ-Lift tonneau cover. Very simple install. Easy fold. You can go halfway, you could go 1 panel, 2 panel, you could go up against the cab. You still have some use of your camera, not the full bed, of course, but it comes with little bumpers that go on that you saw me just install, so you don't hurt the cab or that big window. But let me know what you think in the comments below. The Bakflip MX4 has been one of the most popular tonneau covers for a very long time, and this is just a new generation of a very strong lineup. Is this a tonneau cover you would consider? Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 at gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.